and match with their book vectors to generate personalized recommendations. The study emphasized analyzing term frequency to assess their relevance, and the results showed that TF-IDF performed better than BERT, with the F1 score of 0.67 indicating that a good balance between precision and recall, while BERT lagged behind with a score of 0.20 due to low recall. The findings highlight the effectiveness of TF-IDF in delivering relevant book recommendations and underscore to the potential of book recommender systems. For our conclusion, this study is developed for a personalized book recommendation algorithm that achieves an accuracy of 0.67, which is considered fair for recommender systems, and demonstrates a balanced performance in matching user preferences. A comparison of two natural language processing techniques, time frequency in burst document frequency, or the FIDF, and BERT, relevant that revealed that TF-IDF was more effective in this context, offering faster and more accurate recommendations, while BERT, though powerful, is better suited for complex or nuanced systems due to its computational demands. And the content-based system also proved effective in enhancing book discovery by identifying relevant titles, both popular and obscure, tailored to individuals. That's all, everyone. Thank you.
Ganun ang pagbibideo ko. Quality. Ganyan pag magbibideo ko. Oo. Quality lang dapat. Ay!